Ah, she got 2 out of it.
A big one.
Nice throw.
One more big one.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
That one went so long.
Oh.
Help
You
me.
want for lunch?
Help me.
Huh?
Help me,
What do you want for
Mommy.
lunch?
Go get it.
Go get what?
Get
You
it.
want this one?
Here you go, baby.
Big rock. Got it? Whoa.
Tyler, look what I got for you. Tyler, this one, at least we'll get that one.
Can you throw it again? Almost. Whoa, good one.
Here, I got one for you.
Oh, of course.
Nice throw.
Wow.
Help me.
That's too big, I think. That was too big.
Big one.
You want this big one? There's a big one. I don't know if you can even lift it. You got it? Whoa. It's a big one. Whoa, good throw. Big